Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have another box from Amazon. Not from Amazon, I don't know where it came from, but from one of the shipping companies, but it's not Amazon box this time. Let's see, we need to open it up. Okay. Can you open it? Try to open it. Need something. Okay. Hold on, let's get something to open it with. Sometimes when you're in a hurry and you want to open a box, you screw up everything. But let's see. Come and hold it. Wow, what is that? That's an Mac Airbook. Wow, I never had an Apple laptop before. I always use Apple iPhones, but no laptops. Let's take all this away. Here you are. Whoa, that's nice. Wow. Wow. Can you take a picture of it? That's cool. And this is the charger. Here it is. That's how it is. Thank you guys for watching. Let me enjoy my Apple, what's it called? MacBook Air. Thank you. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like. Have a good day.